You're recording me now? My name is Carolyn Sue Davis Molina. I was born in Boaz, Alabama. It was very chaotic. We moved a lot, and my parents were DIYers, so they were always buying houses or building houses or redoing houses, and so we moved. I fell in love with writing from writing greeting cards to people, and I enjoyed that. I thought it was relaxing. It's about a 10-year-old girl who has an older sister that's a grown-up, and she works at the school, and she thinks she understands her little sister, that she may have Asperger's, and she is concerned about her not having any friends. So she comes up with the friend experiment. I want them to understand a little bit about what Asperger's is, about the sensory issues, about what it's like to go to counseling, about, I want them to understand a little bit about, or see it from the Asperger's child's point of view. And that's what I was trying to get across, and hopefully it'll help some little girl.